Hi there! In the previous lesson, I have created a JUnit test using the traditional way of testing, by creating manually the mock. Now let me show you the faster way using the PowerMockito framework. To use PowerMockito, I need to download it first and then add it to my Java project. The way I like to do this is by using Maven and its nice dependency handling. So this is how it's done. First I have to convert my project to a Maven project. Just click Finish when it asks. Now I have the POM XML that I can configure. The POM XML file normally is used by Maven to get the information about the project and how to build it, and lots of more things that I won't go into detail now. For the moment, I will go to the part of the POM that handles the dependencies, and that is the dependencies tag. In the generated POM, I have no dependency tag yet defined, so I will write it by hand. To find the right Maven tag for PowerMockito, I will go on google.com and simply search Maven PowerMockito. After the search is done, I choose the one from the MVN repository. Here they have a lot of stuff. I will choose the PowerMock API Mockito, select the latest version available, and I will get this nice tag that I have to copy. I will then paste it directly into my POM, as it is, no modifications, inside the dependencies section, and then save the file. Immediately after saving it, the Maven dependencies have been solved. You can already see this in the Maven dependencies section, and now I can use it directly in the JUnit test. Instead of the line where I instantiate the engine mock class, I can now use the PowerMockito mock method. I basically have something like mock and then the name of the class, and then the mock method will return the mocked object, which I will store in the variable called engine. Now, because I am using the mocked object, I will not need the old code, so I will remove that line and also the part with the class definition. Instead of this line, I will use a nice PowerMockito when-then statement. In my case, when engine.start, then returns engine.startedOK. So yes, it is that simple to mock a certain call. This kind of statement is really nice to read in a test. You choose which method call to mock, and also what the return value should be replaced with. Pretty cool, right? Now some cleanup of the old code, and what I'm left with is this code that is doing exactly what the other code was doing, but it's short, easy to maintain, and human readable. Let me just run the JUnit test to see if it is actually working, and yes, it looks great. The last thing, I will make a small error in the test just to prove the mocking functionality, and now the test should fail. And it does. So yes, guys, this is the shortest way you can write a test using the PowerMockito framework. Hope this really comes in handy, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.